Hello, my name is Jerry Bowman, CEA certified as of 2018. My IT background started in high school actually, and I've taken a lot of courses in a lot of different disciplines within IT, continuing on in college where I majored in computer engineering technology. My focus was on hardware, networking, programming, software engineering technology, etc. But during that time, I became interested in information assurance. I've earned a master's in information assurance. As an IT program manager, my work with IT and cyber professionals is extremely important to the overall success of our programs, because the work that they do is crucial to our ability to operate as a program according to our agency standards. The CEH was beneficial to my career because it opens more doors for me to work in IT cybersecurity. One of my professors introduced the idea of me pursuing the CEH because it involved the same type of work that I was doing while studying in the field of information assurance. Even though that I'm a program manager now, I have other experiences or pursue other opportunities to work in cybersecurity, whether it be in rotations or taking on other tasks associated with my program. Thanks to the CEH, I can do everything that a hacker does, thanks to the labs that I've done while training for the CEH, as well as the course material that I have as a reference. The CEH is offered by my organization's training program. While in college, shortly after earning another certification, the Security Plus, I asked one of my professors what should be the next one that I pursue, and he replied, the CEH for sure. The CEH did, in fact, help me give back to the community because it gave me the knowledge and security awareness to help others in my community, whether it's family or friends. For example, if I come over to someone's house and notice that their Wi-Fi was lacking the security that it needed, I can help explain, troubleshoot, and correct, and help them know what they need to do in the future to ensure that their Wi-Fi security is good, just in case if I wasn't available. I would say that the labs and the practical knowledge and experience gained to position one for immediate employment is what I liked most about the CEH program, or my favorite part of it. I love that it consists of a lot of hands-on work to actually grasp what you're learning during the course work part of the class. Over the 5 days, I felt that was ample time to get familiar and learn the material well enough to pass the exam on the final day. The first 4 days consist of learning the material, and then the final day we had to walk through right before taking the exam in the afternoon. And I believe that everyone in the class that I attended passed the exam. I contribute a significant amount of success in my career to the EC Council because what I've learned in pursuing and becoming CEH certified, at the very least, I can have a conversation with IT cybersecurity professionals so I can at least understand what they're talking about as it relates to security posture of my programs. So my message would be for EC Council is to keep on educating, enabling, and grooming future CEH certified professionals.